Good morning, children. Let's begin our next topic: force, machine, and energy. The pushing or pulling of an object is called force. We push and pull objects most of the time. When we have to switch on the computer, we push the button. When we have to type on computer, we gently push the keys. Also, when a child is playing with football. Let us discuss about different types of forces. The different types of forces are: Number 1. Gravitational force. The earth has a force that attracts or pulls objects towards it. If we throw a ball upwards in the air, it comes down back on the earth because of its gravitational force. If the earth did not have this force, things would have been floating like the astronauts float in spaceship in space. Number 2. Magnetic force. Magnets attract objects made of iron, nickel, and cobalt. This force of magnets is called magnetic force. Number 3. Muscular force. When we use our limbs to pull or push objects, we apply muscular force. We apply muscular force when we pluck a fruit from a tree. These are examples of muscular force. Next is elastic force. We can stretch or compress things with elastic force. It is used in ropes for bungee jumping and other adventure sports. Next is mechanical force. Mechanical force is applied in all the simple machines like scissors, stapler, nail cutter, etc. Next is buoyant force. When we push a floating object down in the water, it comes up with an upward thrust. This is called buoyant force. For example, diving in a swimming pool. Next is frictional force. Frictional force is the force that tries to slow down or stop the movement of a moving object. Rough surfaces produce more friction, otherwise things would be just rolling. The grooves on the tires of vehicles produce friction on the road. Next is electrostatic force. Some matters get charged when rubbed with other objects. When we rub a comb through our hair, we are able to pull small pieces of paper with the comb. This force is called electrostatic force. In our next topic, we will discuss about simple machines. Thank you.